In this video, I'll show you how to recover a missing ChatGPT conversation, what to check first, and what you can still do if the chat is no longer showing in your history. The first thing to know is that a missing conversation is not always deleted. OpenAI's Help Center says that if your chat history appears empty or some conversations are missing, you should first make sure you're signed into the correct OpenAI account or workspace. That includes checking the right email, sign-in method, or team workspace, because using a different account can make your chats look like they disappeared. Next, check whether the conversation was archived instead of deleted. OpenAI says archived chats are removed from the main sidebar but still stored in your account, and you can find them in Settings, Greater than Data Controls, Greater than Archived Chats. If the missing conversation is there, you can restore it from archive and bring it back into view. Another useful step is to use chat search. OpenAI says you can search your history on web or mobile by using the sidebar search and entering exact keywords from the conversation title or content. So if the chat is not visible right away, try searching for a phrase you remember from that conversation. You should also check your settings. OpenAI's Help Center says to confirm that chat history and training is turned on, because chats started while history is disabled will not appear in the history sidebar. OpenAI's release notes also state that conversations started with chat history off will not show in the sidebar. If you still cannot find the conversation, another option is exporting your ChatGPT data. OpenAI says your data export includes your chat history and other account data, and the download link is sent to your email. This can help you check whether the conversation still exists in your exported records, even if it is hard to locate in the app. Now, here's the important warning. If you deleted the chat, OpenAI says deleted chats cannot be recovered. Their retention policy is clear that once a chat is deleted, it cannot be restored. So recovery is usually possible only if the chat is archived, hidden by account mix-up, or hard to find through search. So the best recovery steps are simple. Check the right account, look in archived chats, search your history by keyword, confirm chat history is enabled, and export your data if needed. Those are the main ways to recover or locate a missing ChatGPT conversation. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.